Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'm your host, Steve Krull, and this is Big Ideas from BFO. What's the big idea today? AI! We've all been reading about it. Some of you have been using it. All of us have been talking about it. It's there. It's here. But is it really here? Or was it here the whole time? How is AI going to impact you? So let's talk big idea. Big idea for you as a digital marketing professional. AI. Yep, buzzword. ChatGPT, wicked cool. I get it. I get it all. Here's the thing. We've all been using AI for several years already. Pick your favorite tool. Go look online. Look up AI-enabled XYZ for that tool. SEMrush, one of my favorite SEO tools. It does paid and some other stuff too, but one of my favorite tools. They've got dozens of AI enablements built into the platform already that you have been using, whether you know it or not. Search ads, Google, plenty of AI built into the system that you are using today. So we've all been using AI, and we're always looking for, call it cheat codes to make our jobs easier. You build a formula in a spreadsheet to save you 30 minutes, right? Well, that's genius. I'm going to save time as much as I can. Well, instead of being afraid of AI and running away from it, embrace AI and run to it. Get on the cutting edge of this thing. Learn how to prompt ChatGPT. Learn how to have fun with ChatGPT, okay? Embrace this thing. Because what's happening now is that instead of the machine being in control and giving you the results from the AI, you have control. They've given you the game controller, right? Whether it's the PS, PlayStation, or whether it's the Switch, doesn't matter. They've given us the power. So now, instead of just putting feedback in SEMrush and getting the results, you can now manipulate the results as they come out. You can reframe your question. You can ask it to do something a little bit differently. So it's really, really cool. So instead of being worried about your job or your role, think about those repetitive or administrative tasks in your job and your day-to-day. Think about how you can use AI to make those tasks easier. When I think about SEO, for instance, I think about I can bulk write product descriptions for an e-commerce website. I can bulk optimize title and H1 tags. I can, on a paid media campaign, I can bulk build out keywords. I can have it write me ad copy. I can set character limits and have some fun with it, right? All right, so you can do those things. The better you get at those things, the better you're going to be at your job. You're going to become more efficient. What are you going to do with the time that you save? Well, now you can be more strategic. You can do more thinking than doing. And when you're being more strategic, you are a greater asset to yourself and to your organization. So think about how you can complement the work you're doing with AI. And if you can't find a way, ask a colleague. All right, now that you understand that you should be out there on the edge of it, a couple of tips. One, never ever let AI be the final editor of your work. It's not there yet. You must proof it, okay? You must proof the work that it spits back at you. Number two, never ever trust the first response. Always expand your question. Always ask a layer deeper when you're using ChatGPT. Dive in. Get a better answer. Dig down deep. Give it a qualifier, modifier. Do something to get a little different answer in a little different direction. And then take those results and edit them for yourself. Back to that first point. Number three, and my final point. Pay for it. Simple. If ChatGPT is ginormous in version 3, ChatGPT 4 is humongous. I don't know what that word is, but it's huge, and it's also more powerful. So pay the $20 a month. Talk to your boss about expensing it if you need to, but use the paid tool. Go ahead, test it. Ask the same question of 3 and 4. Guarantee you'll get different answers, and you should be impressed by the answers you get from version 4 more than you are version 3. Listen, 3's good. Don't get me wrong. 3's pretty good. 4, pay for the upgrade. It's worth the upgrade. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Today's Big Ideas from BFO. Thanks again for joining me. I'm Steve. If you've got questions or comments, feel free to drop them, and I'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks so much. Take care.